Welcome back, students. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the third subtype of the tense, which is future tense. So, let's move on to the topic in detail. What is future tense? A tense expressing an action that has not yet happened or a state that does not yet exist is said to be in future tense. Just like other two tenses, the future tense is also divided into four types. They are simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Now, we will see simple future tense in detail. The simple future is used to predict a future event, that is, it refers to a time later than now. The simple future tense is formed by adding will or shall before the first form of the verb. Some examples of simple future are: we will move to another city. He will come to India tomorrow. They will make a phone which has artificial intelligence. I will help you carry your luggage, and so forth. Our next type is the future continuous tense. It is defined as a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. It is formed using the construction will plus be plus the present participle, that is the ing form. Some examples of future continuous tense are: they will be waiting for us at the bus stop. The Guptas will be staying with us during the holidays. I will be going for the wedding tonight, and etc. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used for talking about an action that will be completed between now and some point in the future. For example, I will have lived in Shimla for 2 years by next June. They will have completed their graduation by next month. Sunny will have finished gardening by then. The future perfect continuous tense. It is a tense that describes actions that will continue up until a point in the future, and it consists of will plus have plus been plus the verb's present participle form. For example, Priya will have been working here for 10 years next week. He will have been traveling for 2 days. I will have been writing articles on different topics before you come. So, with this, we finish another topic. Hope it was clear to you. Thank you.